Every luxury product begins with a simple leaf growing under the morning sun. Only selected mature leaves are harvested for their strong, natural fibers. Freshly harvested leaves begin their journey toward transformation. Every kilometer preserves the quality of tomorrow's luxury materials. Innovation begins where agriculture meets advanced manufacturing. Every shipment is documented before processing can begin. Careful handling protects the fibers hidden inside every leaf. Precision starts with selecting only the finest raw material. The next step unlocks the remarkable fibers that will become luxury shoes and handbags. The transformation begins as nature reveals its hidden strength. Powerful machinery separates delicate fibers without damaging their natural structure. Clean fibers are essential for producing premium, sustainable materials. Human expertise ensures every strand meets strict quality standards. Uniformity today creates luxury tomorrow. Automation keeps every batch fully traceable from field to factory. Now the natural fibers begin their journey into luxury material. Alignment gives every natural fiber a stronger future. Carefully balanced ingredients create the foundation of sustainable luxury. Every strand becomes part of a stronger, unified material. Uniform structure is the beginning of premium craftsmanship. Pressure transforms loose fibers into a durable textile foundation. Controlled heat permanently bonds the natural fibers together. Precision finishing begins with absolute consistency. Balanced cooling locks every layer into place. Technology verifies what skilled hands have created. The raw material has become a premium textile, ready for luxury craftsmanship. Perfect environmental control prepares the material for its finest finish. A protective finish enhances beauty while preserving sustainability. Careful curing locks durability into every surface. Texture transforms innovation into timeless elegance.
Every shade is engineered for lasting luxury.
Controlled drying preserves both color and performance. Precision measurements guarantee consistency across every roll. Smart planning ensures every sheet delivers maximum value. Every cut is guided with microscopic accuracy.
Now precision-crafted pieces are ready to become luxury shoes and handbags.
Every precise stitch strengthens both form and function.
Craftsmanship is built one flawless seam at a time.
Hidden layers provide lasting strength without sacrificing elegance. Perfect edges reveal the quality behind every luxury product. Every detail is secured with uncompromising precision. Identity is pressed into every piece with lasting precision. The final finish highlights the beauty of sustainable craftsmanship. Individual components become complete luxury creations. Perfection is achieved through careful attention to every detail.
Every masterpiece must now prove its quality before reaching the world. Luxury begins with uncompromising inspection.
Every millimeter reflects precision engineering.
Endurance defines true everyday luxury.
Premium finishes must withstand years of daily use.
Performance is verified under every condition nature can provide.
Scientific verification supports sustainable craftsmanship.
Every function must feel as refined as the design itself.
Certified excellence is ready for its final presentation.
The final chapter begins as craftsmanship meets presentation.
Presentation protects the craftsmanship inside every box. Every package is secured for a safe journey ahead. Sustainable packaging protects products and the planet alike. Automation prepares every shipment for global delivery. Every finished product waits for its destination around the world.
Precision continues until the final shipment is ready. Every delivery carries months of sustainable craftsmanship.
Innovation and craftsmanship come together in every finished piece.
And this is how modern factories produce luxury shoes and handbags from pineapple leaves, from start to finish.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.